Assalamu alaikum, my dear student, as we have already done with the entire poetry session, now I'm going to start. Now I'm going to take one topic from prose session. Rest of the starting three topics, Shamama madam has done this. Sorry, it's not 2.4, it's 1.4, it's an error. Okay, so section 1 prose 1.4, big data, big insight. Today I'm going to explain this chapter, big data, big insight. Okay, here in this online lecture we will going to solve icebreaker, and I'm going to explain you the whole chapter. Okay, it's an error, student. I'm going to repeat again. It's 1.4, not 2.4. Before starting with the text, student, we will going to solve this icebreaker. Two activities is given in icebreaker. Activity 1, give business suggestion to the respective industry or company for the following situation. Okay, here one is done for you. You have to open page number 35. Many passengers prefer morning flights between 7 a.m. and 9 a.m. from Mumbai to Delhi. Give your suggestion why. Suggestion, increase the number of flights between 7 a.m. and 9 a.m. because people prefer morning flight from 7 to 9. So what will be the business suggestion? Increase the number of flights between 7 a.m. and 9 a.m. Next, many students are opting for UPSC and MPSC exams. Suggestions, increase the number of private online study centers, publish books. Next, many people go for morning walk to Kamala Nehru Park. What will be the suggestion? Increase the number of tea stalls and other shops out of the park. Next, many people buy clothes from miracle.com, an online shopping site. Suggestion, increase more varieties of product with attractive offers. The viewerships on television is more between 8 p.m. and 10 p.m. Suggestion, increase the number of advertisement with double rate. Suggestion can be different. Okay, student, if you want to write suggestion on your own, you are free to give your suggestion. Okay, next, people get information from various sources, name them. Student, what is the sources of information nowadays? Facebook, WhatsApp, YouTube, Wikipedia, why error, books, newspapers, database, television. These are the various sources of information. People get information through these sources. Clear? Now student, we will going to start with the chapter big data, big insights. What is big data? Big data, it's a large amount of data. Insight means data can be analyzed for insights. Okay, here this chapter, what big data. Student, we have seen that this chapter reveals that human life has been affected by big data. The whole chapter deals with 8 important outcomes of big data. Clear? Big data, student, our lifestyle has changed a lot. Big data has affected our life to a large extent. Our food habits, our health care, our traveling, everything has changed. This big data available with us really works, can really wonder. Student, you know, if we always used to like post on WhatsApp on Facebook, on other social media. We used to visit different websites. We used to purchase so many things from online. We used to watch videos on YouTube, Netflix. Student, whatever activity we do is recorded, is checked, and it is monitored. Whatever activity we do is checked, is recorded, monitored, checked, recorded, and analyzed. So this, whatever we used to search, we used to make online purchase, whatever we used to do, a huge amount of data is collected. This big data can be petabytes or exabytes. That means petabyte is a unit of information equals to 1000 million, or it can be unit of information equal to 1 quintillion. That means whatever we do, whatever we used to search, whatever we used to like on post, whatever we do online, okay, every data is, whatever activity do we online is checked, monitored, recorded. So this data consisting of billion to trillions of record of millions of people all over the world, okay, from different sources. For example, what are the different sources from they get information? From web, from customer contact center they get information, from different social media, from mobile data, and so on. So whatever data is available to various industries and companies, to a large extent is increasing in volume, increasing in variation, increasing in velocity. Velocity means speed. Veracity, that means accuracy, and value. So such massive data, such big data is easy to obtain, but its challenges to current companies. It is easy to obtain information from various sources, but it is the biggest challenge for the computing technologies. So big data analytic, that means big data information is used to give insight that were previously not able to understand. This big data information gives us insights, that means that were not previously able to understand. It's a very complex process of examining large and different data set. So big data uncover information such as hidden pattern, unknown correlation, market trends, and customer preferences. With such a massive data available with the industry, they can have advantages. Hence, all over the industries are trying to reap the information. Reap the information means receive information that will be beneficial. Many industries have advanced by miles from their competitors. It is not just because of the amount of data, student. It is because that what organization with the data is matter a lot. Clear? So come to know what is big data. This is an introduction about it. Okay. Now we will going to see there are 8 important outcomes or 8 important uses of big data. How big data help us in various ways. First, location tracking. Student, location tracking, this is big data is very useful, has been useful in identifying, tracking the location of a place. Take an example through GPS and Google Map. Okay, big data make use of GPS and Google Map. For example, student, if we book a ride, okay, with Ola, with Uber, so student, we can locate that where this person is coming from, how much time this ride will going to take, the name of the driver, everything. You can say that Google Map and GPS used to track. Okay, make use of big data. This is just the radio frequency identification center is there. And student, we know now, we used to travel. So first we used to check that which route we should take, whether there is traffic or not, whether the route is clear or not. So this we used to identify that about with the help of a radio frequency identification sensor. Okay, information, uh, understanding the accident prone area, we can plan our own route according to the travel time. If one have to order something online, student, if we order something online, immediately you can say message come to us that your order is shipped, track your order. So when once we used to click on the button, we can easily see that it is it you can say it is confirmed with the warehouse, it is shipped properly, it will going to come on so date. So this is, you can say this is just because it make use of big data. We can also track the condition of the goods. So this help the logistic companies to reduce the risks in transport, improving the speed and reliability in delivery. So this is the first uses of big data. How big data help us in various ways. Clear? Next is understanding the weather pattern. Understanding the weather pattern, student, in our mobile there are various apps that shows us weather forecast and all. We come to know that today's the climatical condition, weather forecast. It also helps us to understand weather pattern. It also gives us the warning of the impending natural calamities. That means the calamities which is about to happen, just as flood, earthquake, tsunami, etc. So that necessary precaution can be taken to prevent them. Okay, and can be made well in advance. We can also study global warming, predict availability of natural resources like water. So this is just by making use of big data. These are the, you can say that, and weather pattern, they are the weather sensor and satellite setup all over the globe that help us with a huge amount of data is being received from them, and they help us to understand the climatical changes and weather pattern. So this is the second and most important uses of big data. Third, healthcare industry. Student, nowadays people are very conscious with their health. Every possible precaution is being taken by people for their health. We see that people have become health conscious. Various smart gadgets, smartphones, smart watches, health app in our phone help us in collecting data. How many steps we have walked. Okay, one should have how many glass of water in a day, which nutritious diet is best for them. This healthcare industry, they used to detect our health heart, monitor person sleep pattern, keep a record of their exercise, keep a record of their, you can say, how many steps they have walked. This analysis of the data collected gives us a insight, a deep and provide a personalized individual information to everyone. Now we have machine to monitor our blood sugar. blood pressure. 24/7 they used to monitor, and this provide patient in the hospital too. With the help of this data, big data, doctor can also have a better understanding of the patient health, about their history, everything minutely being observed by big data. Big data also help us in monitoring the sudden outbreak of any disease. Student, when you post a message on WhatsApp, when you put on Facebook or on WhatsApp status that I am not feeling well, I am down with flu, it will be quickly monitor and the and can be easily located. Necessary precaution can be taken. Pharmaceutical companies pay a huge amount to receive the health data of people in the particular area. With the help of the data which is being collected, individuals are often given suggestion for the problem they are encounter with. Okay. Next, banking, finance and trading. Now student, banking, finance and studying here, data analytic, data information. With the big data information, people pattern of investing can be studied. This have enabled the bank and other finance company to come up with a suitable plan for the people. Various agencies, this help in the proper functioning of various agencies. Banking, finance and trading companies sector is using a big data to predict some cyber crimes, card fraud detection. Here student, card fraud detection, that means sometimes there is a people used to fraud sign. There might be your debit card, your credit card get missed. Okay, so we immediately inform bank about it. So immediately the step is being taken by them. That will help us that we should not encounter with any type of, you can say, problem. Okay, so card fraud detection is also being detected by the companies, by banking and finance sector. Data, analyzing the past data of the customer and data on previous brute force attack, bank can predict future attack. Brute force attack, student, it means a cyber attack that relies on guessing all possible combination of targeted password. All possible targeted password can be, you can say, checked that until the right one is found. So they also used to analyze the past data of their customer. Big data not only help us in cyber crimes, predicting cyber crimes, it also help us in issues related to missed transaction and failure. Missed transaction means wrong transaction in net banking. Nowadays people prefer net banking, internet banking, mobile banking. So here big data help us, not only help in predicting cyber, it also help us in handling the wrong transaction and failures. SEC is, that means Security Exchange Commission, is using they also using big data for monitoring financial market, for illegal trades, for some suspicious activity. So SEC is using the network information processor to identify possible fraud that can be happen in financial market. Next is high frequency trading. High frequency trading is also a area where big information, big data finds a lot of uses today. Big data algorithm. Algorithm, student, it's a set of rules to be followed in calculation, especially by a computer. It's a set of rules followed by in calculation, especially by a computer. So today majority of trading take into account social media network and news website to make buy and sell decision in splits second. Next is sports. How big data make you help in sports? Student, when we used to match a when we used to watch a cricket match, watching a cricket match, so many permutations and combination of statistical analysis. That means we are shown various way of selecting object. A huge data has been created over a period of time for recording a match. So data enable a sport person to study his performance as well as other player for their performance, to improve their performance. Big data help in improving individual as well as team performance. Student, how match used to record? A big sensor, a sensor is fixed in the sports equipment that help us to understand the game from very close quarter. That sensor help us to understand the field condition, whether it is proper, whether the field is in proper condition for the match. Video systematic information help us to see each and every performance of the player meticulously, carefully and minutely. So this is just because of a big data information that it tremendously help us in improving individual as well as team performance. Next is advertising. How big data make use of, you can say, help in advertising. How advertising make use of big data. Advertising nowadays, biggest player in big data is advertisers. Facebook, Google, Twitter and other online media all help us in tracking of a user behavior. Student, we always, you can say na, for take an example of a Facebook. You can target people based on buying intent, website visit, internet and job roles. Demographic is a statistical data relating to the given population in particular group. All these statistical data is collected by Facebook algorithm by using big data analytical technique. The same goes for Google. When you target people based on click, you will get different result from that, and you will create a campaign for it. Campaign, that means you will going to plan a group of business that you will get different result. All this is made possible by using big data. Next is entertainment and media. Student, in the field of entertainment and media, big data has a very important role, played a very important role. Student, we always used to feel we feel shocked na ki we always used to search something related to advertisement, something related to the health and all. So everything related to whatever we have started coming to our YouTube and all. No, we have not searched, then too it has come. It is just related to it is based on your past views and your view, whatever you have view. According to that, big data make use of that and started, you can say, different recommendation come ups. So in entertainment and media, big data focuses on targeting people with the right content. By their past view and behavior, online will be shown different recommendation. This is particularly happen when we use YouTube and Netflix to increase more income. Even television broadcaster are looking to part their viewer database. How? Whenever you used to see something on YouTube, sudden of an ad come, we get irritated. Student, that ad, that is, you can say, television broadcaster are looking to part the viewers database and show different ads advertisement accordingly. So this will allow for better income from ads and will provide a more engaging user experience. So this is how cleverly entertainment media companies they make use of big data. Last is educational industry. How educational industry make use of big data? Big data has overwhelmed the education industry. It has transformed leaps and bounds. We have information about the student, their study pattern, prepare, customize, that means modified according to the individual pattern. Every student comprehension level is different. So the course material can be designed according to the different requirement of the student. So big data make it convenient to understand their choices, their difficulties, information regarding and access to the result. Say whatever we used to search student, it is a huge amount of data is being preserved, monitored, analyzed. So from the result we can evaluate the progress of the student, understand the student's strengths and weaknesses. This big data also help us in guiding the student regarding the best career for them. It also help us in improving the operational effectiveness and working of educational institution. In journal I can say enhance the progress of all the students. Big data also provide a solution to one of the biggest drawback, one of the biggest problem in the education industry, that is size fit alls. So we have n numbers of uses of big data. It helps us in various, in understanding geographical phenomena, in scientific research, in the smooth working of the government machinery. So it is a journey in our hand. It lies in our hand to make the optimum, that means the best uses of it for the benefit of mankind. So student, I end with this explanation. I end with my with this explanation I end with my topic. And we have seen that how that big data, what is the biggest use of, you can say, big data in these 8 uses of big data in these 8 sectors. Okay, so thank you so much. That's all for today. See you in the next lecture.